Hi, and welcome to Helpo. This video is part of a series on advanced words to use on the IELTS or any other advanced English language exam. Building vocabulary is a crucial step to getting a high score on any English language exam. On the IELTS writing tasks, for example, you'll be graded on lexical resource, which evaluates your ability to employ a broad range of vocabulary. To help you improve vocabulary, our expert tutors at Helpo have identified several dozen advanced English words. We'll give you the word's definition, simpler synonyms you'll probably already know, and 3 example sentences. All of the definitions we use are taken from the Oxford Languages, powered by Google. Ready to expand your vocabulary? Let's get started. In this video, we'll cover 6 nouns that will take your writing to the next level. Let's take a look. Perseverance, persecution, plethora, endeavor, connotation, and astonishment. Now, the first word we have for you is perseverance. Pay attention to how this word is spelt. It's a bit tricky. The definition of perseverance is doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. Here are some synonyms: resolve, endurance, and tenacity. Let's look at some examples to clarify its meaning. In troubling times, one must have a great deal of perseverance to overcome the situation. The athlete's perseverance in face of an injury says a lot about their likelihood of having a long-lasting career. The young girl's perseverance, given the insurmountable obstacles she has encountered, is impressive. As we can see in these examples, perseverance demonstrates a person's endurance to resolve or overcome different situations. Persecution. The word persecution means hostility and ill treatment, especially because of race or political or religious beliefs. Some common synonyms include oppression, victimization, and mistreatment. Occasionally, on advanced level English exams, you might be asked to discuss a controversial topic. Persecution might come in handy to describe the plight of an oppressed group or individual. Here are some example sentences. Some newcomers to the United States might have faced persecution in their home countries. Religious persecution occurs across the globe, and many people must flee as a result. People have been driven out of their villages due to their ethnic group's constant persecution. Now let's move on to another useful word to use on any advanced English writing exam. Plethora. This word is very useful to talk about quantities in lieu of saying too much. Plethora means a large or excessive amount of something. Synonyms include excess, abundance, and too much. Let's look at some examples. There are a plethora of devices these days that use GPS to track movements. After graduating from college, she found a plethora of opportunities in her field, but none were well paid. In the last few decades, scientists have discovered a plethora of new planetary bodies in our galaxy. Our next word is endeavor. Endeavor means an attempt to achieve a goal. Some synonyms include attempt, effort, and venture. Here are some example sentences using endeavor. The college students embarked on their endeavor to develop a new and ubiquitous technology. We wish you the best of luck with all of your future endeavors. The entrepreneurs are ecstatic that their most recent endeavor has been a success. In the above examples, we can see how endeavor can replace words like effort or venture. Endeavor is a great word to use for innovations or future projects. Connotation. Connotation means an idea or feeling that a word invokes in addition to its literal or primary meaning. Here are some common synonyms: implication, feeling, and undertone. Let's see a few example sentences. Using positive connotations in the medical practice usually makes patients feel more at ease. When a teacher describes a problematic student, they must be careful not to use negative connotations. The word blatant oftentimes has a negative connotation. Our final word is astonishment. It might not astonish some of you that astonishment means a great surprise. Use astonishment instead of simple words like surprise, shock, and disbelief. Here are some examples. Much to his astonishment, the child picked up the book and threw it straight in the trash can. There was a sense of astonishment among the crowd as the circus performer swallowed a knife. Astonishment abounds when you work with gifted individuals. In all of the above examples, we can substitute the word astonishment for surprise or disbelief. So make sure to use the word astonishment to talk about surprising or even shocking situations. I hope these 6 nouns will help you build your vocabulary. Let's recap the words we've covered in this video. Perseverance, persecution, plethora, endeavor, connotation, and astonishment. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a like, hit the notification bell, and share with friends. If you'd like to practice, comment with some sentences, and we'll correct them for you. See you next time.